Here's how to kill a gorilla hyena. Let's go.
As you can see here, this is his gun. Hold it out. Wait. Wait, I gotta... Oh, you can't zoom in on this thing?
I'll have to rip off.
Anyways, okay, that's the gun.
Let's go.
It's a fully automatic paintball gun.
Now, we need to be quiet. We're trying to catch the gorilla hyena.
Which is me! Anyways.
That's enough. Okay, let's go. We're trying to catch the gorilla. I have a feeling it's going to be a good one. Let's see. Oh, I think it's going to be here. There it is! It's in sight! Move! Move! I shot the gorilla hyena! Let's go get this big one. Oh, it's huge. It's farted. Well, that's all. Bye.
Yeah!